How to activate your TikTok account. We're gonna try to reactivate our TikTok account which we deleted. So let's go ahead and do that. So log in or sign up. So click on it. So this was the email I used on the top. So I'm gonna click it. Then this is it right here. It says reactivate your TikTok account. Your account is currently under deactivation. If you want to cancel deactivation and recover the account, please note that you will need to log in the account again after canceling deactivation, and it may take a few moments for an account to be fully activated. So now I'm going to click on reactivate and see what happens next. So one thing that I found out is very easy to activate an account than to delete one. Okay, so right now I'm going to click on my profile. So basically you can see from here that I have my videos that are still there. I also still have my likes, my followers, and yeah, one person following me. So all my information is still here. But note, after 30 days, all my account information will be deleted by TikTok if I did not reactivate. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.